Welcome to this tutorial on how to use process feedback to self-learn writing. Process feedback is a web-based tool that can help you analyze your writing process. To get started, simply visit processfeedback.org and click the Start Writing button. This will take you to your workspace where you'll find a status bar, a rich text editor, and a View Report button. The status bar is divided into three sections. On the left-hand side, you will see the time points, character counts, and report word counts, along with their predefined limits. We recommend you staying below the limit to avoid slowing down report generation.
I have a question here. Here the time point now says 0 out of 360. So does this mean, say if I start typing, let's say this is sentence 1, I see that my time point is still 0. So, and I also see that there's, it says save to local storage. Now the time point went up to 1. Can you maybe quickly explain what happens after I go beyond? So it seems this 1 represents every 5 seconds, right? So if I type for 5 seconds more, this is going to be 2 and so on. So I can go only up to 360 times 5 seconds overall. So what happens after that?
So you will be able to continue your writing piece, but the caveat would be the report generation would take a bit more time than the usual. So continuing on, in the middle, you will see the saving status of your work. If you see save to local storage in green, your work is safely stored in your browser, and you can resume your work even after closing the tab or browser. Yes, when you are typing, you can see saving every 5 seconds. So this means that your content is being saved. Please wait until your work is saved to avoid losing your progress.
I have a question here.
Mhm,
If I somehow happen to restart my computer, is
mhm.
this still saved somewhere for me to access the content? Because this is not saved online, right?
So there's no need to worry about your content being lost after it is saved in your browser. So yes, it is not saved in our online server, but it is saved in your local browser storage, which means that even after restarting your computer, it will be here for you to resume. Going forward, at the right side, you will find a clear button that can be used to clear your current working history and redirect you to the homepage. If you are having second thoughts, you can just click No Resume. So in the heart of the workspace is the rich text editor, which has all the necessary tools for an appropriate writing experience. If you are comfortable in another languages, you can change the language from the option in the navigation bar and see the changes in the toolbar of the editor. Similarly, you can use the workspace in dark theme as well. Changing the language or theme does not affect your process at all. While changing the language or theme, please remember to let your content be saved first. It is important to remember that we have kept minimum time points and character requirements so that you can have an informative report page and faster report generation time. If you click View Report too early and you do not have enough time points, you will not be able to view report. And you will be notified with a toast message saying that you need more time steps. After you have completed your writing piece, you can click the View Report button to go to the report page. Here, all you have to do is click Generate Report. After processing is complete, you can dive deep into various interactive and informative plots. If you decide to leave the current work temporarily, you can find Resume Writing button in the home page, through which you can continue your work where you left off. Thank you for watching this tutorial on using process feedback to self-learn writing. We hope you find it helpful in improving your writing skills.